treasure. Hey everybody, welcome to Low Desert Love. It is February 14th, so happy Valentine's Day to anyone who's celebrating. Happy Tuesday to anyone that's not. I am getting ready to reset this corner area of my garden bed where my Nagasaki long eggplants were. I'll flip over and show you what those look like. There, they look like dying eggplants. So I'm gonna rip these guys out. I'm gonna take a rake and I'm gonna rake off all of the wood chips and all of the dead, dying, mulchy leaves going on here. And I'm gonna put down my amendments. First, I'm gonna throw down a little bit of fertilizer. This is what I happen to have on hand. Tank's green stuff, tomato and veggie food, Sure Start. I'm not putting down all three of these. This is what I have on hand. This bag, almost empty. This bag, almost empty. That's the newest bag. But really, I'm on board with any organic fertilizer that is reasonably priced. I try to organically garden as much as possible. I'm also using this organic compost. This one's from EB Stone. My garden seems to really like this particular one. I've used it for the past 2 seasons, and I have had a lot better success with that one than I have some of the other ones I've tried. And then usually I buy the black gold earthworm castings. They were out, so I bought the EB Stone earthworm castings, which is fine too. I'm sure it will be fantastic. And then once I get all of that put down, fertilizer, then worm castings, then the compost, I'm going to put my wood chips back on and she'll be ready. Hopefully it rains a little today to soak those nutrients deep down into the soil. What we're looking for is healthy soil. So the nutrients from the organic compost, the earthworm castings, we're looking to feed the soil. Healthy soil makes healthy plants. It's a very large root system for one plant. Okay. Number 2. Now, if you're starting your garden from scratch, as opposed to just amending an existing bed, we're going to talk about that in my next video this weekend, where we will be resetting my green stalks as well. I hope you'll join me, and remember, oh, windy! If you aim to thrive, at the very least, you'll survive. Happy gardening.